She's feeling kinda dirty when she's dancing with him, forgetting what she told me by the water fountain. Now he's grabbing her